Okay, hold on. Don't do it yet.
Don't shoot. Don't
okay, shoot. So we just got a little Nerf gun, and Elizabeth is helping Emily so that she can see her target there. Okay, are we ready? Okay, go, sissy. Oh, good try, good try. Okay, is Baby E gonna try?
You want to try?
Yeah, I want to try.
Okay, Baby E's gonna try.
Okay, come here.
Okay, with Mommy. All right.
You gotta be real careful.
Okay. Oh, almost. She's quick draw McGraw. She's pretty quick on the pull. Okay.
You gotta be real patient.
Oh, almost. Yeah, we're having too much fun with the darn Nerf gun. Watch out, Kaylee. Kaylee, move it. Oh my God, she got it. She hit it.
I didn't turn.
Is it okay? It's okay. It's okay.